WAMP is a compilation of Apache web servers, PHP and MySQL bundled for Windows computers. All of them are separate open source software. However, installing them separately is not quite easy even for experienced users. Software like WAMP allows you to easily install them and have a working local environment within minutes. Step 1. Installing WAMP on Windows computer. First, you need to download the WAMP software and install it on your computer. Simply go to the WAMP server website and click on the Start using WAMP server button. It will take you to the Downloads section. You'll see two versions here, WAMP server 32 bits and WAMP server 64 bits. You need to select the WAMP server version that matches the operating system type of your Windows computer. Once downloaded, you can click on the WAMP server execution file to run the installation. Make sure that you carefully follow the instructions on the installation screen. Step 2. Setting up a database for local WordPress setup. The next thing you need to do is to create a blank MySQL database. On launching WAMP, note, if the WAMP server icon is red or yellow, then it means the services, Apache, MySQL, PHP, are not running. You need to start the services by clicking on the icon before setting up the database. You'll see a green WAMP server icon at the bottom right corner of your screen along with other icons. Simply click on it and then click on phpmyadmin, a web-based application to manage MySQL databases. It will take you to the phpmyadmin login screen on your web browser. Simply enter the username and leave the password field blank. Click on the Go button to continue. These are the default credentials to log in into your localhost phpmyadmin. Once logged in, you need to click on Databases in phpmyadmin to create a new database for WordPress. It will ask you to choose a name for your new database. We named ours WordPress Demo. After that, click on the Create button. Your database is ready, which means you can now install WordPress on localhost. Step 3. Installing WordPress on Windows using WAMP. The next thing you need to do is download the latest version of WordPress from the wordpress.org/download website. It will download as a zip file. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you installed WAMP. In this tutorial, we installed WAMP in C:\WAMP, so we'll refer to that folder going forward. Paste the WordPress folder into the C:\WAMP/www folder. But keep in mind, it may be different for you depending on where you install the program. Now extract the WordPress zip file. You can rename the WordPress folder to anything you want, such as My Site, Test Site, etc. This will be the URL of your local WordPress site, so be sure to choose something you'll remember easily. For the sake of this tutorial, we renamed the folder from WordPress to WordPress Demo. Next, you can open the web browser and go to http://localhost/wordpressdemo/. First, it'll ask you to select a language, and then show you the database setup information. Once you have read it carefully, go ahead and click on the Let's Go button to continue. After that, you need to enter your database details like database name, username, password, host, and table prefix. The database name will be the one that you entered in the previous step. In our case, we called it WordPress Demo. The username will be root, and you can leave the password field blank. You can also leave the database host and table prefix as is. Next, click on the Submit button and WordPress will create a configuration file for you in the backend. On the next screen, you will see a success message stating that WordPress is connected to your database. Go ahead and click on the Run the Installation button to continue. It will take you to the welcome screen for WordPress. You need to add a title for your new WordPress website. Choose an admin username. Enter a strong password. And provide an admin email address. Once you're ready, click on the Install WordPress button. After the installation process is complete, you'll see a success message. In the background, WordPress has created new tables in your database and it's ready to use. You can then proceed to your WordPress dashboard by clicking on the Login button. Now enter your login credentials of your website. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress on a Windows computer using WAMP.